Good morning, friends. How are you doing? I hope you're all doing fine. So, another tailing lift there, and that side. Now, I see the rigger one now. It's coming to that area to give the signal for the tailing lift between lever 1160-5.2 and RT Tadano. And that one is the second group. They are going to erect the concrete panel on that area, another building, whereas me here is waiting for my job also. That is lever all-terrain crane LTM 1160-5.2, 160 tons, and the partner crane is Tadano RT GR 800 EX. They are doing a tailing lift. A tailing lift, by the way, guys, this is the job where they are going to bring vertically a load from horizontal position to vertical position. It needs two crane to make sure that there would be no damage during the lift. So I see the rigger now giving two signal, left and right. So they start lifting now the load. Two crane lift. The main crane now is hoisting up, as you can see. Now the load is slowly standing vertically. Now the small crane is hoisting down. It's perfect tailing lift. The load now is totally vertical now. It's a perfect tandem between this small crane and the big crane. So after removing the hook of the small crane, the slings, then that load will be erected. My crane here waiting. Okay guys, thank you very much.